What's new, crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cassandra and today we're doing a very simple Sunday reset. On Sundays, I typically will make one or two different snacks for my school-aged kids' lunches, but also for after-school snacks. They're multi-purpose snacks. But today we're doing a peanut butter and chocolate graham cracker and oat bar, and these are basically just lunch lady chocolate bars. They're pretty good. My kids love them. We don't do them all the time, so we're just switching up from doing our regular muffins and cookies that we typically do. We're also going to be making a taco dip for snacks for the week and just giving the kitchen a little bit of a reset heading into a new week. Every Sunday typically starts the same for me. I will fold and sort whatever laundry we have. We are a large family, so typically I try to get all my laundry done in bulk on Fridays. Saturdays, have everything washed at least heading into Sunday morning. And then on Sunday morning, while the kids are watching like cartoons and stuff after breakfast, I will fold and sort everything and then hand out laundry to my three oldest kids who are 8, 6, and 4. And they all put away their laundry, and then I will put away my stuff, my husband's stuff, and the baby's things. And then we also know that my kids have to clean their rooms on Sundays. I will go in and help sweep and scrub their floors. Depending on the age of the children, my older girls sweep their own room, but I'll go in and hand scrub floors. So that's what we had done Sunday morning. This was Sunday afternoon. The baby was napping, and this was kind of my time where I sit down and make these things, give the kitchen a reset, and get ready for the kitchen to be clean to make dinner. So early in the morning, all the bedrooms are cleaned, our laundry is done, and then at the end of the night on Sundays, we together as a family will work to reset our living areas, being the living room and our dining room, and then work together to put the kitchen to bed after dinner. So that's really what Sundays look like for us. So I did give the kitchen a little bit of a reset after this. I washed my dishes and whatnot. My husband also worked on projects this morning. He put together shelves for me for starting our seeds and for our food storage. We needed more shelves heading into canning season, so he took care of that. We also have a construction project going on that he worked on for a little bit, and then he helped fix the caulking around the kitchen sink. So he had some tasks that he did this morning too. So that was what our Sunday mornings look like and what typically Sundays look like for us. My kids love to get in the kitchen with me, so especially when they know that they are going to be their snacks and putting into their lunch boxes for the week, they really like to get involved. So typically I don't even have to ask, they just like to come in and help. So this is one of my older girls helping spread out the chocolate for the bars, and then once all the chocolate was spread out, you just store them in the fridge for everything to harden, and then once they're hardened, you can store them out on the counter. That's not an issue, but just to help get everything hard and set properly, pop it in the fridge just for a little bit, an hour or two, and these are ready to enjoy for the week or for a couple days or however long they're going to last.